Hello, my dear people. A very good morning from Seattle, Washington. As you can see, my morning went a little bit wrong, but I have a winch, which makes lifting the bike easier. So soon I will be on the road again and heading Canada. The plan for today is cross the border and spend a night just right after. Today in the morning I had to use a winch for the first time in my life. Yeah, it's some tough situation here because my motorcycle was parked in some tight spot, and so here it cannot be straight up, and here we have this column. I'm going to cross a border with Canada now. Do not block. Okay, alright. What is this? Should I go? Where should I go? Okay, maybe here. Lights. Cross here. Only Nexus. Nexus only passenger vehicles. Okay. Am I a passenger vehicle? Maybe. Oh wow, nobody's here. Okay, I hope I'm gonna be alright because I have only temporary registration. Stop right here. Display your card. Display your card here. Hello! I just crossed a border from USA to Canada, and what I forgot is that in Canada they use metric system, and I still have all my speed and all in miles per hour and all. So I already have my GPS in kilometers. I have all the signs around in kilometers, but my speed is still in miles, and so I should stop and change this. But yeah, border crossing was super easy and a blast. It was from US to Canada, so, and I have a green card. They asked a couple of questions and there were no lines because I was crossing in not so popular place. Yeah, fun. I was worried a lot about my temporary license plate because I have a new bike, and my new bike has temporary registration for now, and it has temporary license plate, and I'm not sure if I have all the documents that I need to prove that. But yeah, they did not really check this. They just were asking questions and everything went fine. Super sweet. Somewhere in my... So it should be somewhere in my settings. I think so. Okay, I should go. Wow, beautiful bridge. Look at this. Yay! And mountains all around. Love this. Love this. I have 10 minutes to go to sleep. Wow, look at this. Do you see these mountains? I hope you do. I hope I did not. I hope I did well with recording this. This is awesome. Yeah, 10 minutes to go to sleep. Beautiful British Columbia. Yay! Today was a very weird day when everything went wrong from the very morning. I dropped my bike twice during the day and it was fully loaded, so it took a lot of effort to pick it up. I spent a lot of time here and there, and I had to cancel my Baker trip because I was thinking that like I take this beautiful road to Baker Mountain, to Mount Baker, on my way to Canada, but I had only time left to just cross the border and be here. But I'm glad I'm here during the daytime and I did not postpone until later arrival. This is beautiful. I think this fog is actually smoke from all the wildfires that are currently happening. But I can still see a lot of mountains. Beautiful. This weird day is over and I'm in Canada. Yay! Next couple of weeks are gonna be fun, a lot of fun. I've done a couple of upgrades to my bike, and especially my helmet. So I obviously have a new helmet and I also have a new GoPro mount. Let's see, this helmet is super light. I really love it. I don't like that they do not. So my head is the smallest head you've probably ever seen on a motorcycle. So it's always an XS size, extra small for all the helmets. And Climb makes it only in black color. And I ordered it, I tried it on, it did not fit really perfect, so I went for a bigger size, but since this is super lightweight, it should be fine. And yeah, I think these are the main upgrades, just the camera and the helmet. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you next Sunday.